Hello friends, this is the first video to learn Microsoft Word. This is a series, and in this first and very short video, today we will discuss about this Home tab. So once you click on this Home tab, so here you will see some section. So in this clipboard section, you can copy, paste and cut. Like you type anything. So you want to copy, so easy method, right click and copy. And second method, select, and here you can cut or copy. You can use shortcut Control plus C to copy and Control plus X to cut. So copy, and where you want to paste, press Control V or click here. Like this, you can paste. And in advanced videos, I will show you paste special. Then in this font section, you can change font style. So you will see a list of font. You can select any type of font. Here you can change size for your font. Same, you can increase or decrease font size. You can make bold, italic, underline, and in underline you can change the style for underline. Streak through, like you need this line middle of your text, so streak through. You can use subscript or superscript, like you want to type X2, X2, so type 2 and select 2 and type here subscript, and this one is the superscript, like this. And here we'll see some style. Select your text and you can select any style. And there are some more options. You can change outline, shadow, reflection, glow, number style. So in advanced video series we will discuss these all options. So this is the basic series. There we will discuss some simple use, and in the advanced series we will discuss more detail. Here you can highlight with your color. So you can add the background color for this text. Firstly select and select. And here you can change font color, like white. Select it and select font color, like white. And here you can make a sentence case lowercase or uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. So this is the use guys for font section in Microsoft Word. In the second video for this Microsoft Word learning series, we will discuss this paragraph section. So stay tuned and thank for watching and give your feedback by comment.